August is already here as we start to wrap up our summer, and as always, I have 3 winning products that you guys can sell for this month and the rest of Q3. We'll talk about what makes them a winner and how you can sell them on your own stores, keeping everything short and simple like always. And if you are new here, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you find any value in this video whatsoever. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I have for you guys is this charging laptop bag. So as you guys know, we're rolling around to the back to school season. Like I mentioned, it's the end of summer, and generally most people go to school at the end of August or early September. So right now, as you can see in stores, all the back to school displays are coming out. That's all the products that they're selling right now, school supplies and everything else. But what I've noticed generally is every single year, what people will do, most people, is they'll get a new backpack for the school season. They'll either go and purchase their favorite designer, their favorite brand, or the coolest looking backpack with all the new features and everything else. And that's exactly what this is right here. So this is a charging laptop bag. As you guys can see in this video right here, it's very easy to travel with. That's another angle that you guys could probably market as well, as like frequent travelers. But with back to school being right around the corner and everything rolling in right now, this is a very good product to market. So as you guys can see right here, the regular version shipped from China is $37.37 before any coupons with free shipping. And personally, I would sell this for $69.99 with some good branding and a good video ad. As you guys can see right here, there's some really good content that you guys can use when creating your Facebook ads and everything. And I'm sure there's a few other listings of this backpack as well with even more videos. So you guys just got to do the searching and everything. See, it's waterproof. It's got, the charging capability. It's got all of these different things with it right here. It's got the lock, the card holders, the water bottle holders. It's breathable, easy to travel, you can hook it on things. So it's definitely a very good backpack. It's unique, it's got that sleek design, and it really stands out from the rest. So if I was selling this for $69.99, you would be making $32.62 per transaction. So that's a 46.6% profit margin. That's not the worst. It's definitely something good that you guys could run with. And if you guys are setting up your ads around this, the personal interests that I would start to target would be parents. So the parents demographic, you guys can target parents based on how old their kids are, or just parents in general. Or the back to school interest, well, everyone's interested in back to school products right now. It's definitely a great area to target. And then college. So college students, this is definitely a great product for not only like middle schoolers and high schoolers, but college students who are always bringing their laptops around and always need to stay connected and stay charged. And then the whole locking capability and everything right here. It's just a great backpack. And this is something that I would run with this year for sure. Okay, so the second product that I have for you guys is this resistance band set. And the reason I chose this is because the pandemic is really becoming uncertain again. Cases are flying, there's new variants forming and all of this. So there's a lot of talks about lockdowns and more restrictions and everything else. And a lot of people either can't go to the gym or now don't want to with all these new risks. So I definitely chose this due to the lockdowns and the closures. And we're also seeing like a whole new health and fitness trend popping up where a lot more people are starting to hit new workout routines and enjoy new diets and everything else. And just a lot more people are starting to realize health is wealth. So this product right here, just choosing this one right here, it has the resistance bands with the bar. You guys can see right here, it has a nice video, so you guys can create some video ads with it and really perfect your marketing. There's a ton of different listings with this product, so you guys can go through and find a ton of different videos as well. But it's $44.34 with $41.64 shipping. So altogether, this product is $85.98. So it's a pricey product, but if you guys know anything about like at-home workout equipment or just workout equipment in general, it's very expensive. So the price point is $85.98 from AliExpress. I would personally sell this for $149.99 with some good marketing. So you'd get a profit of $64.01 for each transaction, which is a 42.6% profit margin. So the interests that I would target on this product would be like fitness, obviously, muscle and strength, and bodybuilding. So these are all 3 interests that are on Facebook already. So go ahead and throw that in there and get to testing and see what you guys can do with this product. All right, moving on to product number 3. I have this spiral slicer for you guys. So as you guys can see right here, it's just this little slicing tool. You put it on your favorite fruit or whatever, favorite vegetable. So as you guys can see right here, they just screw that on there, and as they go around, it creates these like spiral noodles. So it's pretty cool. Shipping from China, it's actually 83 cents. So when I was looking at this earlier, for some reason with shipping and everything, it was $1.67, so that's what I have written down. So personally, I would sell this for $11.99 for a profit of $10.32, or an 86.07% profit margin. So it's definitely a very good profit margin on this product, but it's also a cheaper product to begin with. So as long as you can keep your cost per purchase pretty low on this product, you guys should have a very good time scaling with it. So the reason I chose this product as well is same with the resistance bands in a way. We're starting to see more lockdowns, more uncertainty, more people not wanting to go out. So with more people staying at home, the same food items over and over can get boring. So this definitely adds a variety. It's got that wow factor. It's pretty unique and allows people to try more things and create more dishes, because same with fitness, we're also seeing a very big cooking trend uprise during this whole pandemic and everything, as people are getting bored and trying to find new hobbies, or just trying to be healthier overall. People are starting to cook their own meals and actually learn what goes into their food and everything. So before I get sidetracked, like I said, the interest that I would target this product on Facebook would be cooking, obviously, cooking at home, and meal prep or meal preparation. So this is definitely another good product that you guys could test. You could build a one product store around this, or just populate, a niche store and test this product and run with it, see where this goes. So this is definitely something that I would try selling at the end of the summer right here. So that's all I have for today. I hope you guys can at least take one of these products and run with them and start making those sales. If you guys found any value in this video whatsoever, remember to leave a like and subscribe for plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources in the description below. Remember to check out both of those, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.